In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and restore your cards in Trello. If a card you need has disappeared, don't worry. Trello doesn't truly delete cards unless you permanently remove them. Most of the time, they're simply archived, which means they're hidden from your main board, but easy to bring back. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can get your card back on your board in just a few moments. Start by opening the specific Trello board where the card used to live. This matters because archives are board specific. If you're not seeing what you expect later on, double check that you're in the right board and workspace. Once you're on that board, head to the menu in the top right corner. Look for the three dots near the Share button. That's your board options menu, and it's where Trello tucks away several powerful tools you don't see at first glance. From that menu, choose Archived Items. This is the central place where Trello stores anything you've hidden from the board view. You might notice that Trello sometimes shows archived lists first. If that's what you're seeing, no problem. Switch the view so you're looking at cards. Click the Switch to Cards button. This flips the view from archived lists to archived cards, which is exactly where your missing card will be. Now it's time to locate your card. If you only have a handful of archived items, scrolling might be enough. If you've archived a lot over time, use the search bar inside the archived view. Type a keyword from the card's title, a phrase you remember from the description, or anything else that might narrow it down. The search filters results in real time, which makes this step fast and reliable. Once you've found the card, restore it to your board. Click Restore, sometimes labeled Send to Board, right next to the card. The card will return to your board and become visible again, usually in the list and position it occupied before it was archived. After restoring, take a quick look back on your board to confirm it's where you expect it to be. That's the whole process. Open the right board, open the menu, go to Archived Items, switch to Cards, locate what you need, and restore it back to the board. Simple, clear, and effective. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.